Hey guys, Jamie Caldwell here at Elite Motorworks in Sarasota, Florida, where we talk to you about tools, tips, anything automotive related. Sometimes we like to have a little bit of fun. Check out our videos. If it sounds like something that you might be interested in, please consider subscribing. Today, we're going to talk to you about Baum Tools Injector Puller Kit for the TSI and FSI engines. I'll put the link in the description below where you can check it out and you can buy one for yourself. I'll talk to you more about the tool. Let's go.
Hey guys, this is the Baum Tools Injector Puller Kit. Today we're going to be using it on a Volkswagen CC that has the CBFA engine, and I got the cylinder head on the table to show you a better demonstration, but I want to show you the kit first. So it's a universal kit. You can use it on several applications. You use the slide hammer type to pull the injectors. You have a longer rod here if you have better clearance. If you have a tight clearance, they give you a shorter rod that you slide in just like that, and you'll be able to pull the injector out. They give you different attachments that you would attach to here. Today we're going to be using this attachment. This just fits around our injector. The injector we have, here's one. You're going to remove the seal, you're going to fit that right over there, and then you're going to be able to pull the injector out of the cylinder head. They give you different attachments. Be a little hook style here. Some can be threaded right into the injector depending on your application. A couple different options here, but it's a really nice kit that gives you every option. I don't know if it'll fit everything, but for the most part we've been able to use it for just about everything. These are the Teflon seal installers, so before you put in your new injector you want to put in your seals, and they have different sizes here to help you install those. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you how this works. I'm going to need this slide hammer. We're going to use this attachment. We're going to put this on the end of here. And we'll go over to our cylinder head. First thing you do is you want to make sure that you remove the seal and the plastic retainer that's on the injector, and we're going to go ahead and hook up the tool. And with the slide hammer, give a little gentle pull and it pops out just like that. Okay, with me is Neil, and he is going to be showing you how to use the seal installer on the kit, the Teflon seal when you get your new injectors, or if you're putting your injectors back in. Obviously you always want to replace your seals, and they give you this really nice Teflon seal kit. So go ahead, Neil, and show them how to use it.
Alright, so we got our little Teflon seal here that goes on the end of our injector in a little groove, but as you see, it doesn't fit. So they got this nice little spreader cone, comes in the kit. You're going to pick up one of your spacers here, the smallest one, pushes it over there. You can see how it's spreading it. That inserts into there, and it just pushes it down over onto the injector. Pop that back out, and that pushes that right into their little groove. And you want to find the largest one, which should be this one, and that will compress.
And those are tapered, right?
Yes, these are tapered, and as you insert it, it compresses it down into the groove. And you step down into the next size, it gets significantly tighter. Make sure it's good and seated. And there you go.
And our new seal's installed.
Yep.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you.
Hey guys, I hope that video is really helpful for you. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if this is something that you want to see more of. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Until then, Jamie Caldwell, Elite Motorworks in Sarasota, Florida.